What up, everybody, and welcome back to Jay's Reactions. Y'all, guess what? Today we got a treat for you guys today. For any of you guys who like little MJ, aka Michael Jackson, Human Nature, I got one for you guys today. And the one who's doing this drum cover today, she goes by the name of Adonnas, the drummer Jones. Follow her on IG, follow her on YouTube, subscribe to her channel, because this girl right here is just sweetness on them drums. So, let's get right into it. Oh my God. Alright, hold on, wait a minute. So, those cymbals she's using is a little odd, but they sound crisp. The hi-hat with the holes in it, the one in the middle with like 3 cymbals on it, and the one on the left with like dents in it. I don't know what these cymbals are, but they sound so crisp. And she actually used like the live audio, and I feel like I'm there. I feel like I'm in the front row. So that's why I really ain't really saying anything, because I'm just really enjoying this video. So we can just get back to it. Let's go. Oh, a little jump cut. It's alright. It's alright. It's a little jump cut. Things happen. It's gonna keep going. Hmm. I don't know what to say, guys. I I don't know what to say. Um, all I can say that y'all need to go and subscribe to her channel on YouTube. Follow her on IG, y'all. Man, R.I.P. MJ, aka Michael Jackson. Man, y'all be easy. Y'all stay safe. And I'm out of here. Next time. Peace.